Today on Belle Lingerie's YouTube channel, we're looking at this, which is the Shock Absorber Run Sports Bra. As you can see, it is very bright, as there's this gorgeous lime green on both the band and also on the inside of the bra, as you can see right here. And not only does this colour make it very good to wear if you were running at night, this band also has some reflective material in it, so you are sure to be seen no matter what. And obviously this lime green is accompanied very nicely by this black, so it's not too much in your face, but it's still a little bit different and unique if you're at the gym or running out somewhere. Now, this bra has been specifically designed for running in mind, as it offers the ultimate support, as well as being friction free and comfortable to wear, as well as being lightweight. The cups on this are lined and have been moulded slightly, so it does still give a little bit of shape. And the material is extremely soft, which is also quick drying, so you are sure to be comfortable even if you are running in the hottest of heats. The back band of this has the classic 3 hook and eye fastenings, and it also has a clip which is at the shoulders, so you can fully pull that in, and it makes it very easy to get in and out of as well. And also on the shoulders it has these elasticated bits, so you can make it shorter or as longer as you need, depending on your shoulder size and your back height and things like that. This sports bra comes in so many different colours and different styles of those 2 colours, so you're sure to find one that suits your personal style. And of course you can go as bright or as neutral as you want. The Shock Absorber High Impact Run Sports Bra is available right now on Belle Lingerie's website.